In today's video, we're going to be talking about how to make your car run forever. Not literally, but for a very long time. Preventative maintenance is a regular and routine maintenance of equipment and assets in order to keep them running and prevent any costly, unplanned downtime from unexpected equipment failure. For example, you being stuck on the side of the road, your tires popping, your spark plugs going out, you're spending a whole bunch of money throwing parts at your car to try to fix it. If you did the maintenance work prior to this happening, it would have never been this costly. I am going to recommend that you stay on top of most of the things I list on this video in order for you to prevent yourself from getting stuck on the side of the road or needing to call mother for help. Now you're taking all the precautionary steps instead of being reactive to the problem. Spark plugs. Your spark plugs are going to have to be replaced anywhere from 30 to 90,000 miles, depending on the type of vehicle you drive. My 2015 BMW 328i already needs a spark plug change. I currently have 40,000 miles on there, and these spark plugs are fucking burnt. Also, my fuel injector in the 4-cylinder is currently leaking on the spark plug, and it's causing a rough idle, rough running, and it's pushing out clouds of white smoke out my exhaust. If I continue to drive my vehicle, it is going to damage the engine components, causing the repair to be more expensive. So if I was doing preventative maintenance, I guarantee you I would not have this issue. I purchased a BMW used from a dealership. I just assumed they did all the maintenances. I was simply driving it like nobody's business. I wish I knew better. I had a catastrophic drivetrain malfunction. Why? Because I wasn't paying attention to the maintenance work. Every time I mention something on the list, you're going to notice a video in the IA notation pop up. Be sure to pay attention to it. The reason you want to change your brake pads and brake rotors is 1, you don't want to die. Say for example you're hitting the brakes and it's not working, it's not catching grip of the rotor. If you let the brake pads wear out, they're going to eat into the rotors, creating a more expensive repair. You want to check your brake pad and rotors, make sure they're good. Say for example the rotors has grooves in it, like a lip or grooves, that means it does have to be replaced. Say your brake pads are thin, it also got to be replaced. You want to look on the inner part of the brake pad to verify whether or not they're going out. 3. Now what the scanner may not catch, the visual inspection will. Inspect your tires. Make sure it's not worn out, because that creates unsafe driving conditions. I want you to inspect the engine compartment. Are you seeing any oil on the engine compartment? I want you to follow those trails and figure out where it's coming from. Is it a broken hose? Is it a blown head gasket? Do you have to replace the head gasket on your engine? I want you to look on YouTube, and once you do figure out the issue, I want you to figure out how to fix it. You may want to buy a generic code reader. Some of them's going to give you the definition of the issue or error that pops up, while others won't. Anyway, so you could take that error code, plug it into Google, and figure out exactly what it means for your specific car. It's not that hard. I want you to scan your car every week or every 2 weeks. I'm going to have a cheap scanner and also a more advanced one down in the video description below. One for US vehicles and one for US and European vehicles. And last but not least, routine oil changes, engine and transmission. Everything I mentioned on the list is going to be down in the video description below. I'm also going to have links to all the products I use in terms of maintenance in my vehicle. If you're looking for a specific part to your vehicle, let me know what the vehicle is down below and I'll be sure to assist you. And there you have it, guys. If you have any questions, be sure to let me know what it is down below. Anyways, guys, it's been GD here from Get Fixed, and I am out. Pow, pow, pow. Peace.